running here.
Wow, what a boat!
Looks good enough to eat.
That's a nice little canoe. Ladies first. That means Veruca.
If she's a lady, then I'm a vermicious knid.
Hey Daddy, I want a boat like this. A beautiful paddle boat. That's what I want.
What she wants is a kick in the pants.
Try one of these.
What are they?
Rainbow drops. You can spit in 7 colors.
Pitting is bad habit.
I know a worse one. Now, if you'll follow me, I have something rather special to show you.
It's special, alright. I only hope Veruca doesn't want one.
What? A contraption?
Isn't she scrumptious? My revolutionary, non-pollutionary, mechanical wonder. Now, button. Who's got the button?
It's over there.
Here?
Yeah.
Now, what you're witnessing, dear friends, is the most enormous miracle of the machine age. The creation of a confectionery giant, Finito.
That's all.
That's all? Do you even know what it is?
By gum? It's gum.
Wrong. It's the most fabulous, sensational gum in the world.
What's so fab about it?
3-course dinner.
Bull.
No, roast beef. But it's not right yet.
I don't care.
I wouldn't do that. I really wouldn't.
If it's gum, it's for me.
Violet, don't do anything stupid. What's it taste like?
Madness! Tomato soup, it's hot and creamy. I can feel it running through my throat.
Stop. Don't.
Why doesn't she listen?
Because, Charlie, she's a nitwit. Great soup! The second course is coming. Roast beef and baked potatoes.
With sour cream, what's for dessert, baby?
Dessert. Here it comes. Blueberry pie and cream. It's the most marvelous, fabulous blueberry pie I've ever tasted.
What's happening to your face?
Good, Mommy. Let me finish.
Yeah, but you're turning blue. You're turning violet. Violet.
What do you mean?
I told you I hadn't got it quite right yet.
You can say that again. Look what you've done to my kid.
It always goes wrong when we come to the dessert. Always.
I feel funny. I'm not surprised. What's happening?
Violet, what are you doing? You're blowing up.
Like a blueberry.
You've got to do something. Call a doctor.
Stick her with a pin.
She'll pop.
It happens every time. They all become blueberries.
You've really done it this time, Wonka, haven't you? I'll break you for this.
I'll get it right in the end.
Help!
You've got to let the air out of her.
There's no air. That's juice.
Juice?
Would you roll her down to the juicing room?
What for?
For squeezing. To get the juice out of her. She's going to explode.
Explodes?
You guessed it, right.
Boomba, boomba, dooba-dee-doo. We got another puzzle for you. Boomba, boomba, dooba-dee-dee. If you are wise, you'll listen to me. Conjuring's fun when it's once in a while. It stops you from smoking and brightens your smile. But it's your fault and wrong. Chewing all day long. The way that the cow just moo. Boomba, loomba, dooba-dee-doo. Give your manners, you will go far. You can live in happiness too. Like the boomba, loomba, dooba-dee-doo.
I'll get you for this. If it's the